Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to set up the Microsoft Teams meeting. First click this meeting, click on new meeting, give a title for the meeting, add people here and select meeting starting and ending time. If you want to repeat this meeting, then select the right option from here. You can add location from here and write meeting description here. From here we can edit text. When everything is done, click on Save. And here we can see a new meeting has been created. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.